So these are our final, oh god, get mixed, final products of slime. So these two are Alexa's.
No, these three.
These three are Alexa's. They're not stretchy. Oh, dang it.
Hard and rubbery.
Yeah. Then this
Look,
one
here's
is
here's mine.
the only one I made.
Yeah, it's really stretchy.
Look.
Focus the camera.
Here, can you hold it? So I'm gonna do like an ASMR. We might start ASMRs.
Yep.
If you guys want ASMRs, just tell us in the comments down below. And also, this is like a slime competition. So who do you think make the best slime? Alexa? These are
Me or her?
So these are all her slimes. Look, these are all.
I already know she's gonna win because she got a very stretchy slime.
This is a very stretchy product,
And this is
hers.
mine, not stretchy. So of course we already know who won. Geneva.
I'm the slime queen.
They say Karina Garcia is.
Okay, so yeah. And if you guys like these videos, please put in the comments down below. And also, who do you think won? Put it in the comments down below. And if this video can get 20 likes,
20,000.
Whoa, that's a lot, Alexa. If this video can get at least 3 likes or 4,
Maybe I'm
maybe
going for like 50.
that's too much. Okay, if this video gets 4 likes, then we will do another slime making video. So,
And if it doesn't, then we will probably make
different videos, yeah.
Different videos.
So thank you guys so much
Or maybe
for
like
watching.
5.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
I
Please
would
hit
like
and
5.
subscribe.
I would like maybe 10 subscribers. That way.
Yeah, our goal is 10 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for watching.
And 5 likes.
So yeah, bye.